Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to increase your font size in Snapchat. So to increase your text font size in Snapchat, first thing first, you need to make sure that you have downloaded the Snapchat and updated to the latest version. So if you are in your Android phone, all you have to do is go to Play Store and update your Snapchat to the latest version. And if you are in your iPhone, what you have to do is go to App Store and make sure you have updated the Snapchat to the latest version. Alright, so once you have done that, what you need to do is open the Snapchat application. Alright, so here this is my Snapchat. So over here what you can do is, here you can see my font size is currently the default, which is okay for me. But if you want to increase the font size, you can follow the steps in the video until the end. So here you can see what we can do now is go to our chats, and here you can see our chat size is pretty normal. It is readable for me. So if you want to make your Snapchat text a bit bigger so that you can read it properly, what you can do is first go to your settings, and once you have done that, here click on display and brightness and scroll down, and over here you can see the option for font and display size, and you can just play around with the settings and just set the settings where you feel comfortable reading the text. So yeah, that is how you can do it. I'm going to repeat it again. So the first step is to go to settings on your device and go to display settings, and there you can see you can change your font size, and yeah, that will just apply on the Snapchat application also. So that is how basically you can increase your font size in Snapchat. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.